AIRO stock analysis and AIRO stock prediction. In this 1 minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. The only guy in this space has done 40,000 videos and has proofs of seeing what's making me money and what's not. It's taken me, 5 years to come to this point, and it's all documented, by the way. It's all on my YouTube channel. So briefly look in this. I know it's correcting down, that's fair, after a crazy pump. And also we don't have that much data. Plus it's not volatile. So what I was waiting for is a double break, which for me still makes total sense. But unless there is a proper shift in a double break, then I'm not gonna buy. Like, it's very, very simple. So this is how that's gonna look like. All I'm doing, just waiting in the meantime. And if you do want to learn how to make it 5-10K per month trading, then sure, just click the first link in the description and get my free emails. And I will continue to keep you updated. So goodbye and enjoy, and see you in the next one. It's free.